Around November or so, you'll be ready to put your Landroid mower into winter storage. We recommend that you move your Landroid inside over the winter, even if it does have a garage fitted to protect it from the elements. Allow the Landroid to dock back onto the charging station and complete a full charge cycle. Now turn it off and move it somewhere more convenient for a final clean before storage. You're likely to have all the cleaning materials you need around the house, but if you don't, Worx sells a winter maintenance kit with all the things you'll need to give your Landroid a good clean. There's some cleaning fluid and a cloth, a stiff brush, a smaller brush with a scraper, a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of gloves to protect your hands, and 3 fine sandpaper strips. First, make sure the Landroid is off and remove the battery. Now start cleaning the Landroid to remove any dirt and mud. You should use the stiff brush to remove any dried mud on the body or wheels. Use the smaller brush to clean out any grooves and narrower areas. Use the sandpaper strips to keep the contacts clean. The scraper is useful for any hard to remove dirt. Now flip the Landroid onto its back and remove the old grass and mud stuck on the underside. Use the stiff brush again to remove all stubborn dried on mud. Take care to check the wheels and remove any plant fibre that's wrapped around the axles. Remove the blade screws one by one and give them a good clean with the stiff brush to remove any dirt on the blades. You should check the blades to see if they need sharpening or replacing. Give the blade plate a good clean and then refit the blades. Use the cleaning fluid and cloth to give the underside a final clean. Now flip the Landroid over again and use the cleaning fluid and cloth to do the same to the top side of the Landroid. You can give the wheel hubs a shine too. Your Landroid is now ready for storage in a covered dry place over the winter period. And put the battery in a safe place where it's protected from the cold. You can leave the charging base in place over the winter, but remember to disconnect it from the mains. We also recommend that you give your PowerShare battery a full charge at least once every 2 months while in storage. Come spring, your Landroid will be ready to start the year anew. Pop the battery back in and it's back onto the charging plate. Thank you for watching.